Hi everyone, it's Connie here. Wish you all a good day. I'm in the middle of a tropical storm right now, and the wind is picking up, and we are in between rains. So give me a short period of time to make a quick video. And as you see, sometimes we are caught in the middle of a storm, and sometimes the situation is not ideal or the sun is not shining. But I want to say is that in every situation we must maximize the benefits of it, and also keep our optimism high, keep our attitude positive, because I believe that in every situation there are good things to be achieved, and then the winds we can catch to bring us to a new height or a new speed. So I'm going to go to town today. I'm excited to explore even in this weather situation. It's actually quite excited, and I feel fortunate that the modern technology allow me to be able to travel safely back and forth and enjoy the city despite different conditions, you know. So we have to really keep our gratitude every day and encourage people who need inspirations, and to share our love and kindness. So that's all I'm gonna say today. Enjoy yourself, and hope you have a good wind. Good wind is always fortunate to me and enjoyable. So have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye.